What's up, guys? Figure to start this video with the front facing camera since it's new. Gonna go on a quick little ride to test out my new DJI Osmo Action 4 with the DJI Mic Mini. See how everything sounds, see how everything looks. Let's go. Just gonna do a quick little spin. My favorite back roads. It's a beautiful day. It's been raining pretty good and the sun came out today. Perfect time to get out for a few hours after work on a Friday and enjoy some of this beautiful weather. Yeah, one of the things that's super cool about this new DJI action camera with the Mic Mini is I have you right here and then the microphone's in my helmet wireless, so that's really cool. I could grab you, the magnetic mount for the DJI, and swap angles pretty quickly. You just turned on to Canelo. This is one of my favorite little loops. Goes up and over the hill here. It gets nice and twisty. You get some beautiful views. Pleasance Valley, the mountains. Yeah, it gets really beautiful up here. You see there's some people out here hanging out, doing their thing. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to come up here and test one more little thing. I'm just going to take a quick picture on this overlook right here. It's super cool on a clear day like today. Oh, there's a guy on a bike. You can see, well, it's pretty cloudy, but usually you can see all the way towards the mountains, all the way across the valley. It's super cool. Might be kind of a funky picture, but that's all right. Ooh, screw it. Let's do it black and white. That looks pretty cool. All right, well, that was just a quick little kind of a sample video. Test the action camera placement and the microphone sound itself. And yeah, I don't have much time, so I gotta head back. But let's see. Let's get the end of this ride going down the mountain. Maybe I'll put the microphone in my back pocket again. That's what I've been doing for the exhaust sound. I think it might sound pretty good, actually. So yeah, let's do that, and then that'll be it. Thank you.